Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Thanks for watching my tutorial video series for my sewing pattern, the Tremont Crossbody. To make the Tremont Crossbody Bag, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website linked below. The purpose of this video series is to walk you through the instructions as you are making the Tremont Crossbody. This first video describes the unique features of the Tremont Crossbody and covers the supplies you will need to make it. The Tremont Crossbody Bag has many compartments and pockets to keep you organized. The front zippered pocket holds small items, and there's a large exterior pocket on the back of the bag, great for keeping your phone handy, and it closes with a magnetic snap. The strap attaches to D-rings at the back of the bag and is adjustable. With the double zipper open fully, you can easily locate your belongings in the gusseted main compartment. There's a second zipper pocket in the lining back for keeping things secure. There are 4 card slots and 1 slip pocket built into the lining front. The slip pocket is another option for holding your phone. This small inner slip pocket is also a great spot for holding onto pens or sunglasses. The card slots keep your most frequently used cards in easy reach. There's still plenty of room left over in the main compartment for your wallet, your keys, and everything else you need for your day. With all of the space inside and pockets throughout, the Tremont Crossbody is a great everyday bag. Let's go over the supplies that you'll need to make the Tremont Crossbody. You will need 3/4 of a yard of quilt weight cotton, lightweight canvas, or linen blend. You will also need 1 yard of quilt weight cotton and a 10 by 12 inch piece of either cork, vinyl, or leather for your overlay. You will need 2 2/3 yard of woven interfacing such as Pellon SF101 or Sew Fuse, and either 3/8 of a yard of medium firm woven interfacing such as Sew Fuse Plus, or 2/3 of a yard of non-woven stabilizer such as Pellon Decaville Light 525. Another option for the second heavier layer of interfacing is fleece. Ulrike of the Busy Sewing Room created this beautiful Tremont Crossbody using fleece. Lightweight foam is another excellent choice and gives a nice structure to the Tremont, and this is what Tamra used for her bag. Tamra's bag turned out beautifully with the foam as a stabilizer. The last bit of interfacing on our list of supplies is a 3" by 9" piece of ultra-firm stabilizer, such as 70F Pellon Peltex. You will need either a number 5 double pull zipper at least 32 inches in length and 2 9" or longer number 3 to number 5 zippers, or you will need 1 1/3 yard of continuous number 5 zipper tape and 4 zipper pulls. You will need 2 1/2" D-rings, 2 3/4" swivel hooks, and 1 3/4" slide. You will also need a magnetic snap. You will also need 4 double cap metal rivets and tools for installation, and I am using 8mm rivets for my mostly fabric Tremont Crossbody bag. You'll need a friction pen or washable fabric marker, liquid fabric sealant such as Dritz Fray Check, and glue, and I am using Fabri-Tac, but you can also use glue stick. Last of all, I recommend a walking foot attachment if you have a domestic sewing machine. And one thing I didn't film in this video is double-sided tape. That is a really useful supply, especially when we install the main double pull zipper around the curves. The double-sided tape is also great for our 2 zip pockets. Following are the lists of the supplies that we've covered in this video. You'll also find the supply list on page 2 of your pattern instructions. Below, I have a link to Kristina Handcrafted, where I purchased my woven interfacing Sew Fuse and Sew Fuse Plus. I purchased my continuous zipper tape from Saya Swag Bags, linked below, and my regular double pull handbag zipper on Etsy from Zip It Zippers, and this is also linked below. All of my hardware that I've used in this video tutorial series I purchased from Ning Bags, and that is also linked below. Once you have your fabric selected, your interfacing, and all of your supplies and your pattern, come back and watch my second video where we'll take a tour of the special features of the pattern and begin to prepare our fabric to make our bag. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.